The Department of Small Business Development, led by Minister Stella Ndabeni-Abrahams, is finalizing the Township and Rural Economic Development Policy to create business hubs in underdeveloped areas. Townships continue to face high unemployment, poor infrastructure and limited investment. Furthermore, a recent government study identified opportunities for local production, infrastructure and industrial park investments. Ndabeni-Abrahams announced plans to develop 52 shared economic spaces in partnership with the private sector and other state bodies over the next 5 years. The policy will be submitted to Cabinet after further consultation with NAFCOC leadership. Economist Professor Walter Krugell provides further insights on this important matter.
The township economy makes a significant contribution to the South African economy, with township and rural entrepreneurs bringing goods and services to where people live, creating value and jobs in the process. The policy to support township enterprise hubs, zones and clusters is a good idea. Recent events around the budget have shown that government resources are limited and need to be applied where it can make the biggest difference. For the best part, a policy like this should help us focus on getting the basics right. Enterprise hubs need stable electricity supply, good roads and cheap internet access. Then we need light touch regulation that does not increase the cost of doing business or put lots of obstacles in the way of entrepreneurs.